Once again, good afternoon, one and all. So, welcome back to EVS class. Open the textbook, page number 6161, chapter National Festivals. Children, hope you remembered the last lesson we have discussed was on festivals of different people, isn't it? So, we have discussed religious festivals. Hope all of you can listen to me. Yes, we have discussed religious festivals like Janmashtami, Holi, Diwali, Navaratri, Eid ul Fitr, Christmas, isn't it? These were the festivals we have discussed in the previous class. Yes, very good. Now, here today we will discuss national festivals. Can you name national festivals? What festivals we celebrate in India? What is that? Yes, August 15th, Independence Day.
Independence Day.
Very good, Independence Day.
Republic Day.
Republic Day, so nice.
Teachers Day.
And
Ma'am.
Gandhi Jayanti. Yes, very good. Yes, well answered. It's Independence Day, Republic Day, and Gandhi Jayanti. These are the national festivals we celebrate in our country, isn't it? And can any one of you tell me why do we celebrate Independence Day? Who can raise a hand? I'll ask that particular person. Who would like to answer? Why do we celebrate Independence Day? The word itself gives the answer. Yes, raise the hand. Who would like to tell? Yes, anyone? I cannot see anyone raising the hand. Okay, let us start the discussion on this chapter. Hope it's not that you do not know. You know very well why do we celebrate Independence Day. It's as the word says. It is because we got independent. Okay, we have got independence on 15th of August. Can you tell me in which year it was? In which year? Anyone?
1949. 7.
Yeah, very good.
1947.
Yeah, who answered this? Let me name. Tell me the name. Who answered this? Bhumika. Very good. Very good. Yes, claps for her.
1947.
Very good. It is 1947. So in the year 1947, on 15th of August, on 15th of August, yes, good afternoon, children. Please settle down. Yes, in the year 1947, on 15th of August, we got independence. From whom did we get independence? From whom? Can anyone tell me?
British rule.
Very good. Britishers. They were ruling our country over 200 years. So
Yes, ma'am.
to get independence from them, our freedom fighters struggled. Yes, they have fought and we got independence in the year 1947 on 15th of August.
Yes, ma'am.
So all of you tell me once. Independence Day. Listen. Listen. Yes.
Independence Day.
All of you listen to me and repeat. Independence Day is celebrated on 15th of August. Yes, repeat all of you. Independence Day is celebrated on 15th of August.
Independence Day
Yes.
celebrated 15th of August.
Once again, listen to me carefully and repeat. All of you should start when I say go. Okay. So, Independence Day is celebrated on 15th of August? So children, go, start. Independence Day is celebrated on 15th of August. Yes, very good. Okay, very good. Now tell me a second national festival, Republic Day. Children, listen. Second one is Republic Day. Can you tell me when do we celebrate Republic Day?
January 26th.
Yes, very good. 26th January. 26th January. Okay, we will discuss about all this in detail when we start our lesson. Before that, one more. What is that? Gandhi Jayanti. When is this Gandhi Jayanti? On 2nd of October. 2nd of October. October 2. 2nd of October. Okay. Okay now. Very good. Children. Yes. Very good, children. Now listen. Now listen. I am going to show you the presentation on this lesson. Chapter 14, National Festivals. Can all of you see that? Yes, very good. So now see the three pictures I have shown here. This is 15th August, Independence Day, 26th January, Republic Day, and 2nd October, Gandhi Jayanti. Okay, so this is the lesson on national festivals. So our national festivals are Independence Day, Republic Day, Gandhi Jayanti. Independence Day, Republic Day, Gandhi Jayanti. Okay, so would all of you like to repeat the three national festivals of our country?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, repeat. Once I'll tell you, you repeat after me. Okay. The three national festivals of our country are Independence Day, Republic Day, and Gandhi Jayanti. Yes, one, two, three, go. Start.
Our
National fest. Three national festivals. National festivals of our country are Independence Day, Republic Day, and Gandhi Jayanti. Yes. Wait. Stop. Stop, all of you. Stop. Children, stop talking. Who is that? Stop. Karnya. Stop talking. Yes. Once again, repeat. Independence Day,
Independence
Republic Day,
Independence Day
and Gandhi Jayanti.
and Gandhi Jayanti.
Once again, clearly, neatly, no other sounds. One, two, three, go. Independence Day,
Independence Day,
Republic Day,
Republic Day,
and Gandhi Jayanti.
Gandhi Jayanti.
Yes. Now, once again, I am going to share the PPT. See the slides carefully. Our national festivals are Independence Day. Spelling, you should remember, all of you should learn the spelling of this word. In, I-N, D-E, pen, P-N, den, D-E-N-C-E. Independence Day. Independence Day. Is that okay? Yes. So read the spellings of these words. Independence Day. I-N-D-E-P-E-N-D-E-N-C-E. Independence Day. Independence Day. You should learn the spelling. You have to write without seeing at home. Okay. Second one, Republic Day. R-E-P-U-B-L-I-C. Republic Day. Repeat, all of you say it. R-E REPUBLIC, Republic Day. Gandhi Jayanti. Yes, who is this? Gandhi Jayanti, GANDHI Gandhi, JAYANTI Jayanti, Gandhi Jayanti. Okay, so now let us see. Before we start to learn about the three national festivals, an important thing which we use on the two national festivals, that is we hoist on Independence Day and Republic Day, is our national flag, isn't it? It is our national flag. So do all of you know what we have three colors in our national flag? Do you know that? Do all of you know how many
Yes,
colors
ma'am.
we see in national flag?
Yes, ma'am.
Three colors.
Orange, yes, ma'am.
Yes, very good. It is, as you said, orange, white, and
Yes,
green.
ma'am.
But we call
Orange,
it
white, and
not
green.
not orange. We say it as saffron. Listen to me. Listen to me. Here, children. Stop talking. Listen to me. The correct colors are saffron. It is a bit little lighter than orange. So we call it as saffron, white and orange. Sorry,
White
saffron,
and orange.
white and green. Saffron,
Saffron,
white
white,
and
and
green.
green.
Say it, saffron,
Saffron, white,
white
and
and
green.
green. Once again, saffron, white and
Saffron,
green.
white, and green.
Very good. So now, do you know
Saffron,
why? Yes, listen, enough. Do you know why this saffron color is selected on top? Any idea why? What is this color means? What does this color means? So let us learn the significance of these colors also. Okay, let us check this. So see here, first one is saffron. This represents courage and sacrifice. This represents courage and sacrifice. It means that we hoist our national flag to pay our homage to the brave soldiers, and remember their sacrifice for our country to get the freedom. Is that clear? What is the importance of saffron? Yes, what is the importance of saffron, children?
Scientific.
Courage.
Scientific.
Huh?
Purity.
It's courage and sacrifice. It's courage and sacrifice. Very good. Courage and sacrifice. Next is white color. Next is white color. Next is white color, which shows. Yes, next is white color, which represents purity and truth. It is purity and truth. Is that okay? It means that we completely depend on truth and peacefulness. Is that clear? With that intentions only, Gandhiji had started struggle to get the freedom with non-violence and truthfulness. Next is green color. What is this? Faith and fertility. Faith and fertility. Here, what does it mean, faith and fertility? It symbolizes the values of our land. It symbolizes the values of our motherland. Is that clear? It gives about the values of our motherland and on which we are dependent. Our life is dependent. So that is faith and fertility. Is that clear? This is what the meanings of the three colors of national flag are. First is saffron, courage and sacrifice. Saffron, courage and sacrifice. Second, white, purity and truth. Third, green, faith and fertility. And can you see a chakra in between in this white color? Do you know how many these strands or spokes will be in this chakra? Can any one of you tell me how many spokes you have in this chakra? Yes, very good. It is 24. Very good. It's 24. What does it mean? What does this 24 spokes resembles? It shows about 24 hours of a day, which says that always we should move forward. Okay. Is that clear? So now, very good. So now let us go. Let us go to the next part. This is about the national anthem Jana Gana Mana. Do all of you remember national anthem? These days you are not singing, right? So did you remember? Do you remember? Yes, very good. So we sing this national anthem on particularly, yes, please don't sing now. This is not the time to sing. So now on Independence Day, when we hoist the flag, and on Republic Day, isn't it? So a simple truth which you should know. Do you know who has composed this national anthem Jana Gana Mana? He is Gurudev Rabindranath Tagore. Gurudev Rabindranath Tagore. Very good. So this is his picture. Please see it. Gurudev Rabindranath Tagore. He has composed this national anthem Jana Gana Mana. Okay. Now let us start. Let us start from the first national festival, Independence Day. Is that clear, children? So let us start this. So Independence Day is celebrated on 15th of August, as we have discussed already. This is celebrated on 15th of August every year, isn't it? And where do we celebrate? Where is this actually done? What we do on this day? We hoist the national flag, isn't it? Do we celebrate in our school? Do we celebrate in our school? Yes. So we call a chief guest or the principal, hoist the national flag, and we have different programs on that day. We do march past. Do we? You people used to do drills on that day. Drills with white uniform, isn't it? So let us check. So Independence Day is celebrated on 15th of August every year. On this day, in 1947, India became independent. This is what we have discussed in the beginning. India got independence on 15th of August in 1947. Okay, and that means we got freedom from the British rule. Okay, okay. Now, what do we do on this day? On this day, the national flag is hoisted and the national anthem is sung in every neighborhood. The Prime Minister hoists our national flag at the Red Fort. Can you see here Red Fort? Here at Red Fort, Prime Minister hoists national flag on 15th of August, that is Independence Day. Yes, children, tell me, where do the Prime Minister hoist national flag on Independence Day? Which place? Which place? Where? Red Fort. And do you know where is this Red Fort? Do you know where is this Red Fort? In New Delhi. Where is this Red Fort? In New Delhi. Very good. The Prime Minister hoists our national flag at Red Fort in New Delhi. Flag hoisting and march pasts are held in all the schools. Yes, so once again, we just discuss on this Independence Day. In 1947, on 15th of August, India got freedom from the British rule. So this Independence Day is celebrated on 15th of August every year. Okay, and on this day, the Prime Minister hoists our national flag at the Red Fort in New Delhi. And we hoist the flag, march past. All these are held in different schools in our country. Is that clear, children? This was about Independence Day. Now let us go for the second one, that is Republic Day. This is Rajpath in New Delhi. This is the Rajpath in New Delhi. What is this place? Read out all of you. What is this place? Rajpath. And where is it located? In New Delhi. Yes, where is it located? In New Delhi. So what happens here? What happens here? Here.
New Delhi.
Very good. Very good. Now listen. Yes, now listen, children. So, Republic Day is celebrated on 26th of January every year, and this is since 1950. Since the year 1950. In 1947, we got independence, and in 1950, on 26th of January, Constitution of India has come into effect. Is that okay? So from that year, that is 1950, 26th of January, we celebrate as Republic Day. There is a grand parade of the armed forces. You can see here in the picture, it's the parade of armed forces. On this day, there will be a grand parade. So there is a grand parade of the armed forces, police and school children on Rajpath in New Delhi. Here in Rajpath, which is located in New Delhi, there will be a grand parade of different cadre of police, armed forces, and also school children on Republic Day. Is that clear? The President of India takes the salute. Who is the President of India now? Yes, tell me, children, who is the President of India?
Modi.
Narendra Modi is not the president, he is the prime minister of our country. Prime minister of our country is Narendra Modi.
Narendra Modi.
Yes, children. Narendra Modi, as you said, is not the president, he is the prime minister of our country. Prime Minister of India is Narendra Modi, but here on Republic Day, the person who takes a salute is the President of India, and here the President of India is Ramnath Kovind. Ramnath Kovind. R-A-M-N-A-T-H. Ramnath K-O-V-I-N-D. Kovind. Ramnath Kovind. He is the President of our country, and he takes a salute. This was in the last year 2020 on Rajpath in New Delhi. Is that clear? So now the President of India takes a salute. Folk dancers from different states of India also take part in this colorful event. Okay, children? So now let us go to the next national festival called Gandhi Jayanti, and as we have discussed, it is on 2nd of October. And why do we celebrate this Gandhi Jayanti? This is the birthday of Mahatma Gandhi, and we call Mahatma Gandhi as father of our nation also. Okay, so Gandhi Jayanti falls on the 2nd of October every year. It is the birthday of Mahatma Gandhi, the father of our nation. It is a national holiday. We have holiday on the 2nd October as Gandhi Jayanti. Yes? Yes. The celebration is not in the same scale as it is on Independence Day and Republic Day, but this day carries a strong message of peace and harmony. Okay. On this day, prayer meetings are held at his Samadhi. See here, this is Samadhi of Mahatma Gandhi. Do you know where is it? It is at Rajghat, New Delhi. It is at Rajghat in New Delhi. So on October 2nd, on Gandhi Jayanti's day, people come here, Prime Minister, the President, all higher dignitaries come to this place and pay the homage. Okay, so they even sing songs, bhajans, prayer meetings, and all are held at this Samadhi. Okay, this is Mahatma Gandhi Samadhi. It is at Rajghat, New Delhi. Is that clear, children? Yes. So now, children, so hope you have seen all these. Yes. Now, once again, can you name the three national festivals which we have discussed today? Yes, name the
Gandhi
three.
Independence Day,
Independence Day, Republic Day, and Gandhi Jayanti. Very good, very good. Now, when is this Independence Day? When do we celebrate Independence Day?
August 15th.
15th of August. Very good. And when do we celebrate Republic Day? Republic Day, 26th January. Tanai, sit properly. Yes. When is this Gandhi Jayanti? Second of October. Very good. Okay. Now listen, children. I will ask you questions one by one. You have to raise your hand. Then I'll answer. They'll ask. Then you have to answer. Whoever raise a hand, not all at a time. Okay. So now, the first question is, you have to say true or false. I will tell you one statement. You have to say whether it is true or false. Okay. So be ready. Hope all of you are listening. Hasni, are you ready? Yes. Gandhi Jayanti falls on 14th November. Gandhi Jayanti falls on 14th November. Is this true or false? Yes. Bhumika raised her hand. Yes, Bhumika. Answer.
False, ma'am.
Very good, false. Then what is the right answer?
2nd October, ma'am.
Very good. October 2, October 2nd, Gandhi Jayanti. It's not 14th of November. Can you tell me what is the special day of 14th of November? What is 14th of November? Anyone else? Yes, Hasini would like to say what is 14th November, Hasini?
Children's Day, ma'am.
Very good. It is Children's Day. It is year day, isn't it? You enjoy. You get chocolates. Yes. Yes. Very good. Okay. Now next question. Second question. Kartika wants to answer without asking the question itself. Okay. Kartika, are you ready? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. So now you tell me who hoists the flag on Independence Day? Who hoists the flag on Independence Day at Red Fort in New Delhi?
Prime Minister.
Very good, the Prime Minister. Kartika, can you tell me who is the Prime Minister of India now?
Narendra Modi.
Very good, Narendra Modi. Yes, now the next question. Who is ready to give the answer? Who is okay? Let me ask the question. Who hoists the? Yes, Pranav Naik is ready. Very good, Pranav. Are you ready? Pranav, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, very good. So the question is, who hoists the national flag on Republic Day? Who hoists the national flag on Republic Day at Rajpath? Rajpath. Very good. The president. Yes. Can you tell me who is the president of India now?
Rashtrapati, ma'am.
Yes, Rashtrapati, the president. Who is the president now?
I'm Ramnath Govind.
Ramnath Kovind. K. Okay, very good. Very good, Pranav. So nice. Yes. Who is the next one? Who is the next one? Who will answer the next question? The next question is, where is Gandhi's Samadhi? Where is Mahatma Gandhi's Samadhi? Who will answer? Raise a hand.
New Delhi.
No other should not answer. Nobody should answer. Only raising hand. Yes, Guru Dipti has raised a hand. Guru Dipti, are you ready? Guru Dipti? Guru Dipti, are you ready? She is not responding. Are you ready, Guru Dipti? Yes. Tell me, where is Mahatma Gandhi's Samadhi?
Rajghat.
Rajghat, Ghat, Rajghat. Where is this Rajghat? In which state?
Rajghat.
Where is it? In which state is this?
Delhi, ma'am.
Very good. It is in New Delhi. Okay, so nice. Who is the other one? Siddharth is ready. Okay, Siddharth, are you ready now? Yes, Siddharth. Yes, very good. Can you tell me what is the capital of our country, India? Capital?
New Delhi. Ma'am, New Delhi.
Very good, New Delhi. So nice. So New Delhi is the capital of our country, and in this New Delhi, on Independence Day, the Prime Minister hoists the national flag at Red Fort. The President hoists the national flag on Republic Day and on Gandhi Jayanti at Rajghat, Mahatma Gandhi Samadhi. The homage is paid. Is that clear? Yes. So very good points you have learned today, isn't it? So see that I will send you. See, I am showing you once again the textual exercises here. This anyways I will post it in your WhatsApp group. So all of you have to write down all these in your notebook and post it. Many of you are not doing. Very few children are doing every time, and some of you have come down. Your new people are not writing. So at least this I should get it by tomorrow. Okay, so see the textual exercises here. Answer the following. What are the three colors of the national flag of India? You have learnt it already. The three colors of the national flag of India are saffron, white and green. Saffron,
Orange.
white and green. Okay, next, when is Republic Day celebrated?
15th of August.
Hey, Republic Day.
26.
Very good. Yes, it is on 26th of January. So Republic Day is celebrated. Republic Day is celebrated on 26th of January every year. Wait a second here.
January 26.
Yes, 26th January every year. And there is a small
January
mistake
26.
here. Yes, okay. Next, who is known as the father of the nation? Who is known as the father of the nation?
Mahatma Gandhi, ma'am.
Yes, very good. Mahatma Gandhi is known as the father of the nation. Very good. Mahatma Gandhi is known as the father of the nation. So nice. So next is tick the correct and cross the wrong statement. See here, all of you look at this carefully. I have not answered. You have to do it on your own. Here, Nina Maria, listen. Yes. Gandhi Jayanti falls on 14th November. True or false? Yes. So you have to put cross mark. Yes, very good. You have to put cross mark here. Okay. You have to put cross mark here. Next. On the here listen. On the Independence Day, the Prime Minister hoists the national flag at the Red Fort. True or false? True or false? True, very good. Yes, the Prime Minister hoists at the Red Fort, isn't it? Next, India became a republic on 2nd October 1950. True or false? False. When is this? 26th January, isn't it? So 2nd October is Gandhi Jayanti. So this is wrong. See, I am not giving answers. You have to do it on your own. So for that, you have to listen to me carefully. Gandhiji's Samadhi is at Rajghat. True or false? Rajghat.
Yes, ma'am.
It is true. Gandhiji's Samadhi is at Rajghat. Next, national festivals are celebrated by all Indians. Yes? True or false? Yes, it is true. Very good. Yes. All the national festivals are celebrated by all Indians. Now, so here see I have not given answers. Once again I'll tell you the answers. You have to do it on your own. Try to understand and do it. Gandhi Jayanti falls on 14th November. This is wrong. On the Independence Day, the Prime Minister hoists the national flag at the Red Fort. Yes, it is right. India became a republic on 2nd October 1950. It's wrong. Gandhiji's Samadhi is at Rajghat. Yes, right. National festivals are celebrated by all Indians. It is right. So you have to put right mark here. Now, there is a small assignment again. Draw and color our national flag in your scrapbook. In your classwork notebook itself, you can do it. So, can you all draw a national flag and color it? I have shown you the three colors also, isn't it? So do that. And also write the significance of the colors of national flags. This also we have discussed today, isn't it? So hope you can do this well. Okay. So if you have any doubt, you can raise your hand. Otherwise, you have to just see the video once again in your WhatsApp group. I'll send this. Okay. And you have to write it in your classwork notebook and post it by tomorrow. Okay, now if anyone has any doubt, please raise the hand. Yes,
No,
anyone?
ma'am.
Yes,
No doubt.
Jashmitanjali, what is your doubt? Tell me.
Ma'am, what is homework, ma'am?
Textual exercises which I have shown in the PPT. Homework
Ma'am,
is,
what is
I am telling you, homework is to go through the video once again completely, learn all the everything about national festivals and write textual exercises what I am showing in PPT in your classwork notebook. Yes, Bhumika, what is your doubt?
Ma'am, send the video, ma'am.
Yeah, I will send it. Let the class be over, then I'll send. Yes, who else? Who else? Yes, yeah, ask me, Shruti.
Ma'am,
Yes, what is your doubt, Shruti?
ma'am, you
Your voice is breaking. I am not able to understand. What is your doubt, Shruti?
Ma'am, you
Yeah.
can post homework.
Homework I have given it in PPT. I will send it to you. Then you will know. I have shown you. Were you not alert in the classroom? Yes. Who else? Okay. Hope everything was clear. No other doubts. So I will send this video after the class. Please go through it once again. Okay. And do all the everything in your classwork notebook.
Bye.
Yes, children. As I posted it in your WhatsApp group, all of you check it. See the video once again completely. Learn all the three national festivals, importance of national festivals. Okay, and do the textual exercises and homework in your classwork notebook and post it by tomorrow. Okay, ma'am? Okay. Till the next class. Bye, children.